Hello everyone and welcome to the Maginon channel. Today we're going to be doing a complete unboxing and setup tutorial video for the Maginon WLR 755 and 753 AC dual band Wi-Fi range extenders. Let's get into it. Once we get everything opened up, the first thing that you're going to see in the 753's box is the extender itself. And as you can see here, it has the adjustable antennas for a more directed signal boost. And then on the side, you'll see the reset button and on and off switch. Underneath is the Ethernet ports. On the front of it is the WPS button as well as the lights to display whether or not it's working. And then on the other side is the switch between modes where you can choose router, repeater, or AC. Underneath the repeater, you'll find everything you need for setup, including the instruction manual. We're going to put this to the side because this is going to be useful later. The Ethernet cord, in case you want to hardwire your repeater and set it up that way. And then finally the warranty card, which will be useful if anything happens to your repeater. Then for the 755, when you get this box open, again you'll see the 755 repeater. It's very similar to the 753, has the on and off switch, but then underneath are all the other buttons, which include the WPS button, your reset button, then it has the Ethernet jacks, as well as your mode switch, which can be seen right here. And then, just as was included in the 753's box, you'll have everything you need for setup. You'll have your instruction manual, your Ethernet cable, and your warranty card. So that is everything that is included in both the 753 and 755 extender boxes. Let's start the setup. So the first setup we're going to do is the wireless through the mobile device. First thing that you need to do is go to the App Store, whether that's on your Android device or Apple device, and you just need to search for Maginon Wi-Fi extender, download it. As you can see here, I already have mine downloaded. And if you were to just search Maginon, you can search it that way as well. As I mentioned, you just need to look for Maginon Wi-Fi extender. So I'll go ahead and open now. Once you have the app open, the first thing you're going to see is a list of Maginon range extender products. And from here, you're just going to select whichever one you've purchased, whether it's the 755 or 753. We're going to select the 755. It's going to take you to the next screen. From there, as the directions explain, you're going to select Wi-Fi repeater from the list of available Wi-Fi after you go to your settings. So I'm going to open it up, and as you can see, it's listed below. I've connected mine, and then from there you go back to the app, click next, and then it's going to connect to the range extender. And once that happens, it's going to give you a list of the available Wi-Fi is in range. We can scroll down and you can see find yours when you're going through the process yourself. So I'm going to select mine, and then from there you'll be able to select your name of the Wi-Fi extender and then enter the password for your current Wi-Fi. Once you've chosen the name for the Wi-Fi extender network as well as entering the password to your current Wi-Fi, it'll go through the step of connecting the extender to your Wi-Fi and extending the signal, and then it'll tell you it's complete, and once that's done the app itself will close out and you should be ready to go. Setup on the desktop wirelessly is just as simple as setting up on your mobile device. Similarly, you're going to look for Wi-Fi extender, and that's how you know that you're connected to your Maginon device. And then from there you're going to open up a browser, and you're going to enter the number that is provided in the instruction manual. It'll tell you it's a 3-digit followed by a period followed by another 3-digit followed by a 2-digit followed by a 1. Once you enter whatever number that is, you just hit enter and it should take you to the setup page. Enter the password provided. Mine was admin, so I'm just going to type that in here. And then you'll log in. And similarly to the mobile device, it'll provide you with the available Wi-Fis. And then just as I did, I'll select mine. And then you can select whatever Wi-Fi you're trying to boost the signal for. Hit next. From there you just enter the password to your current Wi-Fi, and then you can rename your extended signal as well. Once that's done, enter the password. As you can see, I renamed my network Maginon, and then from there you're set up. And then for the wired way of setup, it's the same process. The only difference is that you would be connected using the Ethernet cord to your computer directly to the extender. So the last thing that I'd like to show you is the speed test that was done after and before the setup of the range extenders. So from left to right, as you can see on the screen, you can see the baseline, which is the speed of the wireless connection without an extender, and then the middle shows the 755, and the last side is the 753 speed. So as you can see here, the range extenders did work. This was also done wirelessly, so you can expect that if you connect your extenders as a secondary router, that the speeds will be much faster if you connect your device using the Ethernet cord. Also, I think it'd be beneficial for you to know that these connections speeds were tested by a wireless device that was located on the top floor of the house, while the modem and router were located in the basement of the house.